Hello, Super Tech Buzz. We've got a new product in by HHOGene or HHOGene, whichever way you want to call it, and it's called GPods. They're to shine. This is the box. Nice and inconspicuous. But let's have a look inside. Let's see what these are all about. So I'm just going to pop that there. So we've got a thank you card, Dare to Share giveaway, and you can join them on Facebook and Instagram. That's basically it, on Twitter as well, of course, YouTube. So you can follow them on their social there. And we are presented with this package here, which looks really cool. So what is it, and what are these guys here, and what's in here? Let's start with this. Nothing on the box. We will take off the plastic and get straight into it. So nice packaging again, and we have no seals to call one box there, one block, and we have got this welcome note here, and we have got all our instruction booklets. Right, so these are called GPods, and apparently it's supposed to pair of earbuds that have light. So what will happen is they can change colour, you can customise them, there's an app. And these guys here are snap-ons or clip-ons, which you can add to them as well, which is pretty cool. I'm going to take out the box and take off this here. So underneath we have got our tips. And they don't want to come out, so we'll take this off. And then underneath again we have got our cable. So our cable is USB-C, USB-A, no branding. Okay, so we'll pop that back in the box as we do, and here is all our tips here, large, medium and small. So pretty cool. So we'll leave all these here for now. And take a look at these. And have a gander. So the case is quite different to your normal kind of case, if you will. And this is what it looks like here. It's wider, thicker. You've got an LED light up front, a cap here, and look what's inside. Pretty cool indeed. On the back, your USB-C port. And that's it, and here they are in the flesh. So first of all, take off the little stickers that you always get with your earbuds and see how strong the magnets are and all that kind of stuff. And if you can see there, look at that, pretty cool. So you get the gist of what's going on here. You've got different caps there you can change, and you've an app that you can change the colours with as well, and set the tone. And you've got a button here in the middle. Pretty decent enough magnet. So let's have a look at these up close. So they got a glossy finish, and you can see there what the story is, and it looks pretty damn cool. And certainly not seen this before on a pair of earbuds. So you got your magnets here, left and right on each side, and they're a small stemmed pair of earbuds, which is kind of a standard look there, as you can see. And that's pretty much it there. So that's what the earbuds look like, and I have to say that's pretty cool looking. Really cool. Okay, so in here we've got 4 different barrels, and we'll pop them all out and have a big look at them first and see what they're all about. And again, this is a really nice presentation, and I like good presentations, and we have one here. We've got these perspex kind of tubes, and inside you have got different caps for the earbuds there, as you can see. And you've got a skeleton head and that, stripes and kind of a zebra pattern on the other one. And then you have got their shine on these, which is obviously the company's brand in there. And that's what they look like there. So pretty cool idea, really neat. I like this. And you'll peel off the bottom there, and these guys will pop out. as you can see there, and they'll pop on to the edge of the earbuds. Really something different and something new, which is pretty cool and a good idea. And again, you can change them up every now and then if you want as well, not having the same colour all the time. Pretty good idea. And that just seals over there like so. That's what you're going to get there. That's pretty much it, and that's just a quick first look and unboxing of the GPods there to shine. We will drop a link below where you can pick them up, and the company is again HHOGene or HHOGene, whichever way you want to pronounce it. Excuse me if I say it wrong, but this is a really nice presentation and something different. And the fact that you get an app to customise these as well, change the colours, change the mirrors, is quite something new, which is pretty good, and that's why I like to see something different. So you've got colours like variable green, neon green, all different kinds of aspects there. You have blue sky, you have mysterious moods, raging flames, deep blue, and quiet blue and neon light. And I'm looking forward to testing these out and see how this all comes together. But this is a really cool idea and a well presented package and something different, which is nice because the earbuds situation is kind of boring. It's the same kind of thing all the time, same design, same look. But even having the option to change our skin or change our case like the recent pair that we did, is something different and something new. I'm bringing something new to the table. So we'll be back with a review soon on techbuzzlearn.com, and the most important thing you probably want to know is how they sound as well, and the aesthetics of this cool pair of earbuds with the app that you can change the colours on the outside there, which is pretty neat. So stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzlearn.com.